Hey everyone! Welcome to Speak with Haley. I'm Haley, and this is your daily English show. Every day, I share my real life in simple, slow American English so you can listen, learn, and speak with confidence. This show is for anyone who wants to learn real, everyday American English. Whether you are a beginner or you already know some English and want to sound more natural, you are in the right place. Every single day, we learn together, so this morning I was getting ready, making my coffee, just having my usual peaceful morning. And then I got a call from my friend Leo, and he was like, "Haley, I just woke up and I'm already late." And I said, "Leo, it's 8 o'clock." So today, I want to share both of our mornings with you in simple, slow American English. Because, honestly, our mornings could not be more different. Come with me. Okay, so I'm here now with Leo. Leo, say hi to everyone.
Hey everyone, I'm Leo, Haley's friend, and yes, I was late this morning, but I made it here, so that counts, right?
It counts, Leo. Okay, so today we're talking about morning routines. This is such a great topic for English learners because we all have a morning. And one day, someone is going to ask you, "What do you do in the morning?" And after today, you will know exactly what to say in American English. Before we start, if you're new here, please subscribe. New episode every single day, completely free. Okay, Leo, are you ready?
I had 2 coffees on the way here, so yeah, I'm ready.
Okay. Before we tell you our mornings, let me teach you 5 phrases. These are real American phrases we both use every single morning. I'll say each one slowly, then use it in a sentence. Ready? Wake up means to stop sleeping. I wake up at 6:30 every morning. Hit the snooze means to delay your alarm. Leo hits the snooze button every single day. Get ready means to prepare for the day. I get ready in about 40 minutes. Grab breakfast means to eat quickly. I grab breakfast before I leave the house. Head out means to leave your home. I head out at 8:30.
Hit the snooze is genuinely my most used English phrase. It's very important.
Leo, okay, listen for all 5 phrases in our stories, everyone. Let's start with my morning. Leo, you listen too. Maybe you'll learn something.
Wow, okay.
Okay, so every morning I wake up at 6:30. My alarm goes off. And yes, my first thought is always 5 more minutes. But I don't do it. I take a deep breath and I get out of bed. First, I go to the bathroom. I wash my face with cold water. Oh, it's cold, but it wakes me right up. Then I brush my teeth for 2 full minutes. My dentist would be so proud. Next, I get ready. I pick out a cozy purple sweater and my favorite jeans. Comfortable and simple. Then I go to the kitchen, my favorite part. I brew coffee and grab breakfast. Oatmeal with honey and banana. I sit by the window. No phone. Just me, my coffee, and the quiet morning. I love this time so much. Finally, at 8:30, keys, phone, headphones, I put on my jacket and shoes and I head out. Fresh air, deep breath. New day, let's go.
Okay, that is very peaceful, very organized. I feel stressed just listening to how calm your morning is.
Ha! Okay, Leo, now your turn. Tell everyone about your morning.
Okay, so my alarm goes off at 7, but I hit the snooze. And then I hit it again. Maybe one more time. So I actually wake up at like 8:15. Look, my body needs time, okay? I jump out of bed, run to the bathroom, splash some water on my face, no time for much else. Then I get ready in like 10 minutes. I just grab whatever's on the chair. You know the chair. Everyone has the chair.
The chair with all the clothes on it.
Exactly, that chair. Anyway, I don't grab breakfast at home. No time. I head out fast, stop at the drive-thru, get a breakfast sandwich. Eat it in the car. Done. Honestly, it works for me.
Leo, that is not a morning routine. That is a morning survival plan.
I prefer morning efficiency.
Okay, everyone. Let's go through our 5 phrases together. Did you catch them all? Let's check. Wake up. I wake up at 6:30. Leo wakes up at 8:15. Same phrase, very different times. What time do you wake up is one of the most common questions in English small talk. Now you can answer it. Hit the snooze. Leo hits the snooze button every morning. This is so American. Your alarm goes off, you press a button to sleep 5 more minutes. Everyone does this. Well, most people.
It's self-care, Haley.
Get ready. I get ready in 40 minutes. Leo gets ready in 10. Get ready means everything. Shower, dress, brush teeth. I need 20 minutes to get ready. Very natural American phrase. Use it. Grab breakfast. I grab oatmeal at home. Leo grabs a sandwich at the drive-thru. Grab is very American and very casual. Let's grab lunch. I'll grab a coffee. It sounds natural and relaxed. I head out at 8:30. Leo heads out in a complete panic. Head out just means to leave. I'm gonna head out now. What time are you heading out? Use this every day and you'll sound like a native speaker. Okay, let's hear both mornings one more time, a little faster. You know the story, you know the words. Just relax and listen like a friend is talking to you. My morning. Wake up at 6:30. No snooze. Wash my face, brush my teeth, get ready. Grab oatmeal and coffee. Sit by the window. Quiet and peaceful. Head out at 8:30. Ready for the day.
My morning. Alarm at 7. Hit snooze. Twice. Wake up at 8:15. Get ready in 10 minutes. Grab whatever's on the chair. No breakfast at home. Head out fast. Drive-through sandwich. Eat in the car. Arrive just in time. Every time. It's a gift.
Now, your turn. Pause this video right now and answer this question out loud in English. Speaking out loud is the fastest way to improve. Nobody is judging you. Just speak. Here's the question. What time do you wake up? And are you more like Haley or more like Leo? Great job. Now write your answer in the comments. Are you Team Haley, peaceful and organized? Or Team Leo, fast, chaotic, drive-through breakfast? We read every single comment. We would love to know.
Team Leo is the right answer. Just saying.
You did so amazing today. You listened to 2 full stories in American English. You learned 5 real everyday phrases. And you spoke out loud. That takes real courage, and I am so proud of you. Every day you show up. Every day your English gets better. I really believe that.
For real. And you definitely got here on time today, unlike some people.
Tomorrow, Leo and I are going to Starbucks. We're going to order coffee and talk about what Americans actually say at a coffee shop. It's super useful and really fun. Don't miss it. Subscribe so you never miss a new episode. See you tomorrow. Keep speaking English. Bye-bye.
Later, everyone. I'm already excited about that Starbucks episode. Mostly for the coffee.